Hey guys, it's E here, and we are in a remodel. And now I have two phones, so I can actually video and scan at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and I already have a cart full. I'll show you that, and then we're going to do some remodel shopping. Alright, flipping you. So far, so exciting. Okay, we've got some hats. We've got some more of the light bulbs. We've got, I just came to the craft section. We've got some chalkboards. We've got some lamps and lampshades. We've got, I'm so excited about these. We have sheets. We have clothes. We have jeans. We have hoodies. You name it. Okay, so I just came this way and I noticed some command strips that are hanging out here, so we're going to go ahead and do some command strips. What are you going for? Picture frames? You want me out of the way?
Glue sticks left. I mean, not glue sticks, glue guns.
Glue guns. Yes.
Not those,
Not those.
They was a dual.
Nope. They're gone. Yep. Sorry about that. But let's see. So I found these command strips hanging here. Alright, so we got that. Remember, I've always said pay attention to the clip strips that hang. So we're going to go ahead and get those. And then we are going to scan other things that are on this. Let's go ahead and see the what? I don't know. I haven't scanned those. I just scanned the clip strips. So now we're going to go ahead and just check what else is hanging here, because you never know. Things get forgotten on clip strips. I'll check the Ozium. I don't think it is, but we'll see. Trying to do this with two phones is interesting. It is not. It is all these command strips that are hiding behind here, I believe. Wait, those have a different picture. Let me check these. Do you need some command strips? You check them? Sure. Nope. Those are not pennies. Okay, see? So you got to pay attention, guys, when you are grabbing stuff at the remodels. Things may look very similar. Whoops. But not be the same thing. I do want to check these. I'm going to flip these babies over. See what we got here. Nope, those are full price. And that's also full price. Okay. So we are going to make sure that we hang everything back up. Okay. So I already pulled a couple things from here. So I'm double checking to make sure nothing was missed. I don't think this is the right thing, but we're going to check it just to make sure. No. And I'm going to put it where I think it's supposed to go. And actually, if you guys didn't know, you can also scan the tags on the actual shelf. So that's what I do sometimes in remodels. I just scan the tag on the shelf, but make sure that the tag matches up with the product that's sitting there. Okay, that's chalk paint. I think they've done pretty good on the craft section. Okay, so we're gonna move on and see what else we can find. Now there's one thing I just noticed that's usually in the craft section. And I might get bonked in the head in the process, but we have these that were hidden at the top. So let's check these out because I know they have went in other remodels. There you go. We got one of those. Let's check these picture frames. And same, my guess, somebody's stashing. Well, I got to it first, so that's cool. And I see more up there. So we are going to have to figure out how to get that. And it's going to be against rules. Do you have a step stool? No. Anything to reach with?
What does the command strips look like that you have?
They have a picture frame on them. They're a 3-pack with a picture frame on them, and yeah, they're just the strips. Okay, guys, I'm setting you down so I can get this. Dun dun dun. I really hope this is a penny because it's really cute. And I might have just pulled a muscle trying to get it. Yes. Sorry, new phone.